loves, welcome back to our channel. I am here with another one from the Outre. This one I am coming through with Outre's Nisha Soft and Natural, and I have her in Nisha 208. Okay, I am going for the color DRFF BlackCherry. Okay, Outre has an array of colors in this unit, the Nisha 208 unit. So let's go ahead and get her into her. 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps Wakanda forever. Okay, take a look. This is just a lace front part. Okay, so ear to ear lace and some parting space on in the middle. All right, and I'm excited. Let me just chop this lace off and throw mother on. Look at all this hair. All right, my loves, let's get on into Outre's Premium Soft and Natural HD Lace Front Wig Nisha 208. Now, this unit is currently going for just under $35 on most wig sites. You can't beat that with a bag, okay? I have her in the color DRFF Burgundy. I know I'm wrong. DRFF BlackCherry, okay? DRFF BlackCherry. So this unit is super soft and beautiful. The texture of this hair is so very natural. I did not experience much shedding at all with this unit. She is absolutely positively beautiful. I ended up actually buying her. Outre so graciously provided us with this one, but I went out and bought her. That's how much I love her. Like, I had to get her in just a solid color as well. Now, this unit is very big head friendly. So my girls in the back with the big old heads, baby, this one is for you. Now, I wanted to be very clear that this lace is outstanding. I believe that you would have the option to shift this unit. I chose not to, but I think that with a little bit of love and finesse, you could get a really nice sexy style on the side part style as well. So I'm going to shut my mouth, okay? I've said enough, and let you guys get into this video. Are you feeling this, guys? Outre. Nisha owe your money? Okay? Let me tell you something. Woo! She works hard for the money, okay? Nisha did not come to play. She's thick. What else is she, y'all? She's nasty. She's nasty. And I mean nasty. Y'all know how we like them like that. Listen. I am obsessed. But I knew I would be. I watched Kaya over at Co-Glamour, her video on this unit. And when I saw her, first of all, her thumbnail was insane. So I was just like, you know, obviously you gotta watch, right? This unit is nasty. She's soft. She's nasty. She thicker than a Snickers, and you know we like them like that. But she lightweight, which means she's slim thick. You feel? Are you picking up what I'm putting down? Are you picking up what I'm putting down? Okay, let me turn around for y'all. Obsessed. 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 I don't know who over there at Outre is working. Okay. Pay her. For the people in the back, pay her. She deserves. She deserves. This unit is absolutely, positively nasty. Nasty. Look at this one. Let me bust up. So you see how thick she is? The texture. It is just so soft. So y'all working Outre? Is that what it is? See, 2020 was really Outre's year. And if you didn't know, then you need to go check them out. But they said, not today. 2021 is our year too. We just gonna take over the whole decade for y'all, okay? We just gonna come through, all right? I don't even understand how beautiful this unit is. This unit is glueless. She is big head friendly, super big head friendly. She didn't even tangle when I brushed her. And what I love the most is that I try not to brush the curls out of units because I don't like to, you know, just compromise how curly and beautiful a unit is at first. But I did it with this one, you know, just because right here is a little bit of a frizzy piece. I wasn't all the way feeling it. However, it came through with the come through. Once I brushed out everything, it made so much more sense. Like, so much more sense. Y'all know I love big, sexy hair anyway. Because I think I'm Jessica Rabbit. If you haven't been able to tell, I really genuinely think I'm Jessica Rabbit. First of all, Beyonce got these things in here, y'all. I'm sorry. They in here. So, I don't know what you, like... Did y'all want something else? I mean, you on my line. Listen, I ain't got nothing else to say to y'all. Outre that came in, smacked us in a mimmy-tatting mouth. I'm outdone. I am outdone. I am outdone. I'm genuinely impressed. I'm impressed. Okay? I don't have nothing else to say. But grab her. She stank, nasty, and ready for a good time. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.